Introducing palm grass, Setaria palmifolia of the family Poaceae. Palm grass is a perennial tropical grass recognized by its large, palm-shaped leaves. This attractive grass is native to parts of Asia and the Pacific Islands. Its range stretches from China and Taiwan south to Malaysia and Indonesia. Palm grass is also found in the Philippines, New Guinea, and northern Australia. It thrives in tropical forests and disturbed areas with ample moisture and shady conditions. The seeds, shoots, and leaves of palm grass are edible. The small seeds can be boiled or roasted and then used as a substitute for rice or other grains. Extracting the tender white hearts of young shoots provides a vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked. In traditional medicine systems, palm grass is used to treat a wide range of health complaints. The Meek people of New Guinea drink juices to treat irregular menstruation. Crushed leaves are applied to the skin to treat disorders like acne in Malaysian herbal medicine, aiming to reduce inflammation. Palm grass also plays a role in managing measles infections, with the infusions used to reduce fever and rashes. The plant also alleviates oral health issues, treating tooth decay and toothaches in oceanic cultures.